The Six Sigma management system is used for quality assurance in production, but is it really the best choice? If the tolerance range of a component is exceeded or undercut in the series production of assemblies, high reject rates are the result. However, there is a process that can produce faster and more cost-effectively by compensating for any production errors in the post-production phase. The solution is called Mix Sigma. The components of all assemblies are measured and stored. The Mix Sigma algorithm then finds the optimal pairings and creates a schedule. This means that individual parts are quickly and optimally combined. The data is available across all stages of the value chain. A bearing roll that has been drilled too deep is combined with a bearing hub that is itself too long. Mix Sigma is able to find exactly those two components that fit together best from the tolerance ranges of the parts. When combined correctly, parts of inferior quality result in high-quality assemblies. Mix Sigma is therefore perfectly suited for quality assurance in the production process. Material waste is reduced, the reject rate decreases, sustainability increases, and costs are saved.